campers, it is Savannah with Cookeville RV and Marine, and today we're going to be taking an inside and outside look at this 2024 Grand Design Reflection 310 MKTS. But before we get started, make sure you like this video, subscribe to our channel, and head on over to Google and leave us a review saying that you love our videos. Now, let's get started. Starting out on the outdoor entertainment side, out here we do have two awnings. So we have an awning up here at the front that does go over your entry door. We also have another one towards the back on our slide. We also have two LED strips. They're both under the awnings. So if you want to have a party when it's dark outside, you can have this nice and lit up. Also out here, we have my favorite part, the outdoor kitchen. Let's go look. Before we take a look at the kitchen, I did want to tell y'all there's one update from the 2023 version. Grand Design has done away with the indoor-outdoor speaker system. So out here, we don't have any speakers, but don't worry, you can still have some music out here. Just bring your Bluetooth speaker along and it'll be nice and loud out here for your party guests. Now, I'm gonna open this up and show you guys. This easily just opens, has magnets up here, just sticks right up there, and we do have our outdoor kitchen. We have a refrigerator out here, and let me click this so I can pull this out. This is our griddle. This allows you to cook your burgers, steaks, whatever you want, and you do have some storage up here as well. Now, let's check out the storage. In the front of your reflection, you have your pass-through storage space, and there's actually something interesting about this, but just wait because I'm going to show you that at the end of the video. Down here, we have easy to clean out flooring, so this area is perfect to store all your stuff that you're going to have outdoors. And you put this in here, it might get a little dirty, but don't worry, it's really easy to clean. Also down here, we do have some electrical outlets, some lights down here to keep this nice and lit up. Over on the other side, we have our battery disconnect and our convenience bay with all the hookups you're gonna need while you're at the campground. Now, let's move inside. Right when you walk into your reflection, over here to the right, this opens up and we do have our control panel on here. This controls most of your lights and it's very easy to use. We also have our awnings and all of our slides right here as well. Also up here, we do have a little bit of storage space. You can access this from here or from the front. And you also have a Wi-Fi router in here. Grand Design has partnered with TravelFi. So now you can have Wi-Fi on the road. It's kind of a pay-as-you-go package, but your salesman can tell you a little bit more about that if you're interested. Now, let's check out the living space. In your living area, you do have theater seats, and these theater seats have a couple options, so that's really fun. In our cup holders, we do have some buttons right here. One is a light option, one is a back massaging option, and we also have a heat setting. Also in our cup holders, they have given you a USB port, so if you want to charge some things while you're sitting here, you can do that as well. Also, these feet come out, so if you do want to relax and recline, we can do that too. And there's a little bit of storage here. This is perfect for your tablets, maybe a small book or some remotes, anything you want to store in the couch. Also over here in this area, we do have this hutch set up right here. This is perfect for if you want to use it as kind of a catch-all area right when you walk into your camper, or if you want to set it up as a coffee bar, because there is a couple electrical outlets right there. You can do that, set up your coffee machine, or if you want it as a little bar area, have a margarita machine up there, you can do that. We have some storage down here and a little bit more storage up there, and that's what I showed you a second ago. You can access that from the front or the side by your control panel. Now, check out the entertainment space. The entertainment space is located right across the camper from your theater seats. Over here, you can tell we do have this massive TV, and a cool thing about this is actually a televator. So down here, we have a couple controls, and there is a button that puts that TV all the way down. So if you do kind of want to use this as like a little counter space while you're not watching TV, you can just hide that away down here. Also down here, we do have a speaker. This doesn't control anything outside because like I said, there's no speakers out there, but you do have a couple speakers around the camper, so you can still play music in here. Also, there is a little bit of space down here. There's an electrical outlet, so if you do want to put a smaller gaming console, you can store that away in there as well. Also in this area, we do have our fireplace. This doubles as a heater or just a light, so if it's summer and you just want to light things up in here a little bit, you can do that. We have some storage on both sides and a little bit more storage up top, so that's perfect for board games or other items you kind of want in your entertainment area. Now, check out the kitchen. This reflection has a beautiful kitchen with tons of storage options. Over here, we do have our pantry space, and this opens up, and as you can see, we have two huge shelves in here. This can easily hold a big dog food bag, or if you want to have some full-size cereal boxes in there, you can put that there as well. We have a big drawer down here, perfect for other kitchen items, and lots of counter space. This counter is very durable and it's just pretty to look at. I really like it. We have some electrical outlets up here, so if you do want to bring along maybe an air fryer or some other items, you can do that. We have more storage up top. Over here we have our microwave, our typical 3-burner stovetop with our splash guard. Down below we have our oven and another little drawer down here. I want to see that. It's deep enough. You could put a couple pots and pans in there. It's not super big, so I wouldn't bring any like big boil pots for a shrimp boil or anything, but you can fit some things in there. Behind me, you can see this gorgeous fridge. This thing is huge. I already put my Stanley in there to get it cool while I'm out here. Very large. You can store all your groceries in there. Now, let's check out my favorite part of the kitchen, the island. On your island, you do have your sink. They've given you this nice little roll-up mat. So if you do want to wash some dishes and have them dry up here, you can do that. We have plenty of storage in here, and one 2024 upgrade Green Design has done. They've given you designated storage in your island. So over here, we have 2 garbage cans. This is perfect. It keeps all your garbage out of the way, and you can just easily store it in one place. You have a couple more drawers up here, and another designated drawer right here is for all of your silverware. They've given you all the nice little compartments right here so you can place everything with ease. We also have more storage under here, perfect for all your cleaning supplies in your kitchen. Keep all that out of the way. Now, let's check out the really cool thing about this reflection, the office space. In the very back of the camper, we do have this office space. This is perfect for all of those remote workers, or if you have some kids that have some homework, they have a designated spot to do all of their work at. We have our solid surface countertop, same as the kitchen, but over here in the office space as well. We have a couple big drawers and more storage up top so you can hide away all of your paperwork and other items. Also back here, we do have a USB and USB-C port and an electrical outlet so you can charge your computers. If you want to bring a desktop along, you can easily plug that in there, or just charge your iPad, laptops, other items. And before we move over and check out the bathroom, I did want to show you guys the dinette. This dinette is large, super roomy. On this side, we do have our little ottoman area, and this ottoman actually slides out, so if you do want to place some other things in this area, you can do that. We have 2 standalone chairs over there, and as you can see, I have plenty of room here, so you can eat with your whole family with ease, and there's plenty of windows, so you're not going to miss out on those gorgeous campground views. Now, check out the bathroom. Our full bathroom is located right across from your entry door, and we have tons of storage in here. Over to my left, we have our sink with a countertop and an electrical outlet, so if you do want to bring some of your hairstyling tools, you can do that. Up above, we have our medicine cabinet, and I like this little open space right here. I'd probably put my toothbrush and toothpaste right there. Just have a cute little area for that. More storage underneath, and to the side over here, we do have more storage. This is perfect for your towels, your washcloths, other bathroom items, and they've given you a little hanging rack in here so you can put a towel there as well. Underneath that, we have our step to flush toilet, and I'm sure you guys have already noticed, but this reflection has tons of ceiling height, especially in the bathroom. So this is very tall people friendly. They've put this little light area right here, so it does have tons of head height right here. This used to be a skylight, but they've kind of replaced that because Green Design listens to their customers, and sometimes those would have a little bit of issues and leak a little bit. Not anymore. They've fixed that. You don't have to worry about that. We also have shelving in here, and we do have a removable shower head, and check out that shower head. That's really nice. Now, let's see the private bedroom. Your private bedroom is located in the front of your reflection, and as y'all can already see, this bedroom is absolutely gorgeous. They've given you a couple little added things in here, like this beautiful comforter and this nice headboard behind me. Also in here, we have tons of storage. There's storage above right here, and they've also given you an electrical outlet on this side, and on this side you have another one and a USB and USB-C port on this side. So if you want to plug in all your phone or tablets or other items before bed, you have the room to do that. Also in here, a nice thing is you do have your own heating and cooling unit, so this is perfect for if it's summertime or wintertime, you're not going to get too hot or too cold in your bedroom. Now, let's check out some of the storage back here. Across from the bed, we have this dresser, and it has tons of drawers. This is perfect for all your socks, underwear. You're not going to have any problem storing your items in this bedroom because they've given you lots of storage. Up here we have a little bit more, and they've even given you a place for your TV in here. And I know you're thinking, lots of drawers, but where am I gonna hang my stuff at? Don't worry, because you have 2 closets. Let's check them out. This closet is absolutely massive, and as you can see on the outside, it has 4 panes of mirrors. So if you wanna get ready in your bedroom, you can easily see yourself. It's kind of a barn house style. These slide over and you're inside of the closet, and it is huge in here, plenty of room for all of your luggage. There's shelves in here, so if you do want to place your bags in here or stack up your shoes, you can do that. Also above me is your hanging rod, so if you have some nicer clothes that you want to hang up in here, you can do that too. Also, this closet is washer dryer prepped. And another cool thing about this, I told y'all earlier, you can access your pass-through storage in here. So if you have some bags you want to place down in the pass-through storage, you can just pop this up and set them over there. But this isn't your only closet in the bedroom. Let's move over here. On the other side of the room, you do have your second closet space. It also has mirrors and opens up to a hanging rod in here to hang up all your clothes. And
You can see me.
you could, when I open it up.
Yeah, so
Should I just open this side?
yeah, or if you want to leave that one open.
Okay.
Yeah.
Right.
5, 4, 3, 2.
On the other side of the room, you have another closet space. It has mirrors on both sides, and it opens up, giving you tons of space in here and a hanging rod to hang up even more clothes. In the bottom, you have a couple more drawers, so if you have some more things you want to store, you have plenty of room to do that. So if you like this reflection or any other unit in our Grand Design line, make sure you give us a call or visit us at cookevilleRV.com, where your adventure awaits.